I'm giving like too feng woo a little bit. Like, I don't know. Is the lighting right?
I love it. Only one people around that's gonna make me better. And that, it's so
Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. I am Ashley Sade. I know. I've been missing. I am here now. That's all that matters. I am back. I'm going to try and produce some videos for you guys because I really do miss doing YouTube. Everything ain't gonna be hair. It's gonna be like probably reviews, first impressions on anything. I think. I don't know. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. But definitely welcome me back. As you can see from the title, I'm doing a headband wig tutorial, or not even tutorial, review on this beautiful wig that I got from Amazon. But I got from Julia Hair on Amazon because I needed that prime. So if you want to see how I got this look, definitely stay tuned. But if you used to watch my tutorials, you know that I've always been that person that's very big on testing the hair out for a period of time. Like, I'm not that girl that puts it on for a day and be like, go get it. I test it out and I come back and I let y'all know how I really feel. Okay, so I purchased this wig a couple months ago, and I did make sure I knew the vendor, which was Julia Hair. So as long as I knew like it was a real company, I knew that I wasn't gonna get no trash hair. It's the Julia 10A headband wig in water wave. It says that it comes in a black color, but baby, this came in brown, natural brown, and I dyed it black because my hair is the blackest as black can get. It's like this color. I got 18 inches. Yep, this is her, this is she. It is gonna say black color, but baby, the hair is not black, okay? Now specs, because like I said, I've been wearing this hair for a minute. So the hair is nice, but it does definitely shed. It gets matte in this nape area right here. So yeah, it's not, you know, perfect, but it is definitely a bomb wig, and I highly recommend it. It does come with 3 combs, 2 here, and then 1 in the back. And then it comes with the band, and then of course, you know, I like the size of the band. It's not too big, it's not too small. It's like the perfect amount of band. For the most part though, this wig is very secure, especially these 2 combs right here. It's so secure. These 2 combs in the front, it's so secure, baby. I be having a headache. Definitely not lacking in the security area, so, but it is definitely dependent upon how you have your hairstyle. So I do have some twists in my hair now, and I did put a wig cap on, so hopefully that'll that back piece will latch on a little bit better. Let's go ahead and put this wig on. Look. And this is how the back looks, and then you just take the band and secure that baby. Alright, so as far as headbands, of course, majority of these wigs, like when they send them out, they include headbands. Mine came with this polka dot one and then this floral one, which is kind of growing on me. I don't really do floral print too much, but it's kind of growing on me. But like I say, I'm not really into any of these ones too much. So I did place the order on Amazon and got some from Target and also Shein. This is my favorite one. This is from Shein, and it's just this silky scarf. I love it's so pretty. Oh, it goes with us so well. And I love this one because it's small. I'm gonna show you the ones I order off Amazon, baby. Excessively big for no reason, okay? That one. So I wanted a bougie look, okay? Can you tell? I wanted a real bougie look, so I got this. They all kind of resemble each other. So this is giving me like a little bit of Gucci. I haven't wore this one yet, but you know what? I actually might wear this with like an all gray something. And then I actually wore this with all gray. And I got this one because it has orange in it, which is my favorite color, which this one goes very well with this too, so it won't be so like nude and monotone. That would be very pretty. I might put that one on. Then from Target, I did find this very pretty like cognac color headband. I thought it was very cute. And then I got a black one and I hate it. This is the one I actually got for the office, like for work, because it's just black, but it just, this sits too high for me. So let's get into putting the headband on and styling the wig. Ponytail vibes. Made me put my wig in a rubber band, period. Put your wig in a rubber band, sis, because sometimes when you put it in a rubber band, it's cute, even though I know that's not what you meant, Karicha. I know that's not what you meant. If you want to, you can wrap her around in a bun and give yourself a top knot. Mine ain't really in a position that I would want, and then also like mine isn't really that much density, so I wouldn't really wear this unless I was just trying to like run some errands or something real quick. One of the most convenient hairstyles you will ever have, like seriously. I'm gonna push this back some, expose a little bit more hair, and baby, there we have it. All right, so that is it, you guys. Like, I will leave it linked below if anybody wants the exact wig. Again, I got it off Amazon. You can go straight to Julia Hair if you want to, but I wanted mine in 2 days, okay? That's the only reason why I got it off Amazon. I was ready for it. I needed it now. So anyways, that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next video.